Level 1 Beginner. Lesson 4 Talking about your country. Hello and welcome back to our English learning journey. Today we are going to talk about something very close to your heart, your country. Whether you are in India, Brazil, Egypt, or anywhere else in the world, you will learn how to say where you are from, talk about your country, and ask others the same. Ready? Let's go. Today, Arav comes home from school with a big smile. Arav, Mummy, today in English class, I learned how to say I am from India. Alka, that's wonderful. You can teach us. Arav, proudly, sure. You say I am from India. Can you say it too? Repeat after me. I am from your country. Let's try it together. Grammar tip. I am from. We use I am from to say where we come from. I am is short for I plus am. From shows the place. Example, I am from India. I am from Brazil. I am from Kenya. Try it with your country. Say, I am from your country. Sachi, Papa, where are you from? Vikram, I am from Delhi and your mother Alka is from Hyderabad. Sachi, oh, so Papa is from Delhi and Mummy is from Hyderabad. Did you hear that? He is from Delhi, she is from Hyderabad. We use he is for a man and she is for a woman. Repeat after me. He is from Delhi. She is from Hyderabad. Listen and repeat. Now let's practice together. Repeat these sentences after me. I am from India. He is from Mumbai. She is from Chennai. We are from India. They are from different countries. Mini quiz. Choose the right sentence. Let's see how well you understood. Choose the correct sentence. Question 1. I is from India or I am from India? So, the correct answer is B. Remember, we say I am, not I is. Question 2. Who do we say she is for? A boy or a girl? Question 2. Who do we say she is for? Correct answer is B. A girl. Interactive speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Pause the video. Look in the mirror and say, I am from your country. My friend is from another country. We are from your city or region. Quick recap. Today you learned how to talk about your country. I am from. He is or she is from. We are or they are from. You practiced speaking, listening, and even took a quiz. Mini quiz, final challenge. Let's finish with a quick challenge. Fill in the blanks. I from India. She from Mexico. They from Australia. So the correct answers are I am from India. She is from Mexico. And they are from Australia. You did a fantastic job today. Now I have a small request. In the comments, tell us where are you from? We would love to know. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. We will see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep practicing and keep smiling. Bye for now.